Okay, welcome back to our C++ crash course basics. Today we will learn about how to take a user input, but first what we will do is we will revise what we have learned. So first of all, as you can see that to write all this code, I will delete all this code and show you how to write again. First you can try it yourself. If not, then I will show you how. Hash include iostream using namespace std with the then we go int main parenthesis curly braces and we write something inside. We write cout. I want to write goodbye world because I'm kind of tired of hello world all the time. And now we can run it. See, we can run this. And see, it works perfectly. First, what you want to do is try it like this. Whenever you're creating a new file, if you go to a new file, all of these files, you want to go and try writing some basic code to see if there's no error or any problem in the file. Remember that there are some errors in C++. So to take a user input, we need first of all a variable. Now, what kind of input do we want from a user? Remember, this is a comment. Now, do we want an integer or like a number? Like if you want to ask how many or something? Or do we want a word, their name? Let us focus on the name in this tutorial. Focus on the name. If you want a user's name and we want to print it out. So what will we do in this scenario? We will use the variable string to declare it. So str variable a, and that's pretty much it. Oh wait, sorry, I actually made a mistake with str because I'm learning Python. So str is for Python. Sorry about that. Now we will ask the user enter a name. And what will happen here is that it will print out this message, and everything after the message, anything that the user inputs after the message will get will be the input. And where will the input be stored? It will be stored inside this a variable. How can we ensure that? Well, we have to use a function called cin. See, because this is c out to print out something, and we have say in for input. And see, we have the signs here. We will print the opposite signs here. As you can see, the opposite of it. This is an std o stream thing which we have used here to make sure that it works properly. Now, where would you want to store it? In the a variable. So we just write a and semicolon, and that's pretty much it. So if you run this, go ask for our name, we'll write and boom. But you're like, nothing got printed here. Well, that's because we only asked for it to input the name inside this variable. We never asked to print out this variable. For that we will need another cout a, and we write it here. You can delete it and start over. See, it is asking for our name. We just write a same and we'll print out our name. You can also add other stuff to make it more beautiful looking. Let's print out another name. Let's call it Peach. Your name is Peach, and that's pretty much it. That's how the basics of how you get an input. You can also write other stuff here, like an int, and write enter number, number you chose. See how this works. Now we write a number called 6, and then it will show us the number you chose is 6. I accidentally reran this file, so we will just do this. So what if we actually inputted something wrong, like an integer? Let I just say I wrote Bernard here, and it will print out as 0. It won't give an error, it will just print out a 0, because 0 is like a false statement in C++. And that's pretty much it, the basics of how you can get and use this input. I will show you how to use it in programs and further on, but that's all from me. Thank you, thanks for watching, goodbye, subscribe.